I am Shilpi Arora. Today we are going to discuss class 9th political science chapter. What is democracy and why democracy? So in this particular class we'll be discussing about the definition of democracy and the major features of democracy. So let's begin the topic with the definition. Children, in the junior classes you must have studied about the very simple definition given by Abraham Lincoln. Democracy, it's a government to the people, by the people and for the people. So here we'll go little farther and discuss some of the major features and see the details of the definition of democracy. So let's start. Democracy is a form of government. Democracy is a form of government. See to it. Democracy is a form of government where rulers are elected by the people. So here rulers are the people who are chosen by the people. In our country, as India is the largest democratic country in the world. Children, when I use the word largest democratic in the world, it means that India has largest number of voters in the country. People who are 18 and above 18 years of age, they have the right to vote and they are maximum in our country, and that is why we call India as the largest democratic country in the world. So, democracy is a form of government where rulers are elected by the people. It means that we are not talking about the monarchical form of government. It means where the monarch, the ruler, the hereditary monarch governs the country, rules the country. But here there is no hereditary monarch, there is no dictatorship. But the ruler, the government is chosen or it is elected by the people. So we will elaborate this definition with the help of certain features.
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.